Come on, family, it's theme song time. Places.
Oh, man, again?
Famer's a heavy burden, brother.
You ungrateful imps! You don't know how good you got it. That's why this time I'm taking over the theme song.
I don't know if that's such a good idea, Grandma.
Didn't you read the sign? 1, 2, 3, 4. Back in my day, life was tough. We didn't have phones or modern stuff. I rode to school 10 miles on a beaver. There were no meds when I got swamp fever. I never complained as I was driving before there were brakes. Sharing messages for the snakes. I worked in the mine and brushed my teeth with a porcupine.
Whoa.
Oh, my gosh, Grandma.
Now go do your theme song and be grateful.
Yes, Grandma.
Riley.
And you be grateful too, 'cause I ain't doing this again. Now get out of my house!
Okay, Grandma, now that your video's over, it's time to let folks know that they should like and share it.
But I hate sharing. What's mine is mine.
Well, can you at least tell them to subscribe to see more Takeover videos?
Subscribe? What am I, selling magazines?
Oh, my goodness.